Hurricane Sandy, people have been yapping about a strange chorus of wailing sounds coming from the new One World Trade Center building. Like it's turned into one of those big, fat wooden train whistles. Let your imagination or pragmatism run wild, you have to admit it's a pretty eerie sound. I think it's pretty obvious that the sound coming from the building is wind and architecture getting it on. But on the article, someone posted one of those videos of those weird sounds that have been going on. Exactly. What is that? Just in case you hadn't heard about it, over the past couple of years, people from all over the world have been hearing these strange War of the Worlds apocalyptic trumpet sounds. Now, there probably is an explanation. They probably are just a scientific anomaly. Or it is like the movie Contact, and it is aliens trying to get our attention so we can build one of these things so we can all go like this. Again, the sounds at the World Trade Center building, wind, architecture. But these? Anyone figure it out yet? Can anyone tell me what these sounds are? Besides awesome. As always, thanks for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe, and check out our channel where we upload new videos every weekday.